today? Good, thanks. Welcome.
Happy Wednesday, everybody. I had to think of what day it was.
Cut. We're gonna take two.
It's been a very long Wednesday. It's been a very long week. Yesterday we took the dogs to the vet. Took a little video as we were getting ready to head out the door with them. Everybody checked out okay. For the first time, Bella actually weighs more than Trinity, if you can believe it. They've traditionally weighed right around between 60 and 65 pounds each. Trinity is right around 60, I believe, and Bella is at like 63, 64. And Snow, we thought, was probably pushing 90 pounds, and he's just shy of it. He's around 83 or 84 pounds.
I thought it was 88.
No, he's not 88. But he's getting there. So he'll probably be over 100 pounds here soon. He is 9 months old, for those of you wondering. Growing like a weed, as everybody can see, and eating just as much. But everybody is doing good, so we were happy to get them in and out. And the bonus is Bella did not throw up going to the vet or coming back from the vet. She has always gotten car sick, but she is getting a little better because Dragon takes her on little rides. She hops on the back of the truck and drives around the farm. So our little girl is growing up. She's 2 years old now, so happy for that. Today, we were able to have yet another technician come out to take a look at our display freezer. We got our refrigerator up and running just on Friday, and the tech who came out Friday could not figure out how to program the freezer. The units that we bought, if you've heard us mention them in the past, can be used as either a cooler or a freezer, just as a matter of programming. And so we had a little bit of a difficult time just trying to find someone here locally who understood how these models worked, who knew the codes, who knew how to properly reset them and test them to make sure that everything worked okay. So we had someone come out yet again today who seems to have done the job, knock on wood. So far so good. Dragon also went ahead and loaded in some of our pasture-raised chicken into that cooler. So it is
Freezer.
To the freezer, as he corrects me. You know, when Dragon is directing behind the camera, he's got a lot of notes that he gives you right away. But yes, into the freezer, we have some of our pasture-raised chicken that you saw get loaded in there. And so it is nice and a load off of us to have another opportunity for customers to just walk right up to product and be able to grab it, especially when we have fresh chicken. We had a small batch of fresh chickens over the weekend, and it was nice to put them here inside the store, and people can go right up, pick the size that they wanted and bring them up to us here at our brand new checkout counter to bring them out. So that was very nice. Now that the freezer is back on again, we will end it here today. Dragon is getting further away from me, and I need him closer because it's loud now. We will see you guys tomorrow. It is almost 9 p.m. We have to figure out our dinner situation as always and get some rest because we're tired. See you soon. Happy Thursday, everybody, and welcome to Butcher Day here on the farm. We decided to get after it early today because we are in the middle of yet another heat wave here. Temperatures are going to be reaching 97 degrees today, which means the feels like temperatures will be over 100. So instead of doing our typical afternoon butcher, Dragon and I got up early and decided to process the chickens this morning. We only had 9 birds, so it didn't take us long at all. It's just now only 9:30 a.m., so we still have the full day ahead of us to get back to work, get some other things done, and also get the farm store set up and open on time which is 10 a.m. So looking forward to hopefully a cool day while we're inside. We do have some folks coming out this afternoon to work on our tractor that's been broken for the past week or so, because we need to get our mobile coop moved to a new location, get all of those new hens set up inside that spot, as well as some other hens that we've hatched here on the farm earlier this year. So lots going on still, even outside of the barn to store renovation stuff, which is always ticking along. As you can see, there is still plenty of farming to do outside. So now that big task for the day is off our list, the birds are on ice. They will sit there until tomorrow when we come back out to package them up. And it will be nice to have a fresh batch of freshly packaged pasture-raised chicken sitting inside the display refrigerators, where customers can just walk right up to those doors and grab what they want on their own. Happy Friday, everybody, and welcome to the end of the week. Welcome to a fresh load of produce coming in the door. We have some sugar cube cantaloupe here that Dragon just brought in. These are kind of miniature versions of cantaloupe, but because of that, their sugars are really sweet and extra concentrated. We have some orange watermelon. This is the biggest bin yet of them that we've had in. Very popular. Every time we bring in some, we bring in a little more. and we already have people saying, let us know when they come through the door. So they are here now. Peaches have been a very, very wildly popular choice all summer. There are very few times that somebody walks into the farm store and they do not walk out with peaches. We've had peaches from Southern Maryland most of the season. They've been some of our favorites. And these are white peaches here from Pennsylvania, yellow peaches from Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania peaches were the winner last year. Dragon says that these are good. And you may see right next to that, if you've been following us for a while, one of our absolute favorite squashes that we discovered last season, delicata squash. This is so delicious. Our favorite way to prepare it is to just cube it down or make little rings out of it. You can eat the skin on this. Season it with some salt, pepper, some olive oil, some brown sugar, maybe a little bit of cayenne, whatever you like, and throw it in an air fryer or in the oven and roast it. Very, very delicious. Describe this as kind of like a cross between a butternut squash and a regular potato, but super satisfying to eat for sure. And we're happy to have some back. Also making its debut this season are these little gems here. These are honey nut squash, little miniature versions of butternut squash, similar to the sugar cube cantaloupes. Because they are so tiny, they are a little bit sweeter than a regular butternut squash, and also a customer favorite here at the farm. Well, everybody, I think this is a great place to end because there's nothing left to do except go inside and relax.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Oh, yeah. I like hard for that watermelon thing.
Which one kind are we getting?
We're getting an orange one.
Ooh, orange watermelon for dinner, probably.
That's it.
We've had lamb ready for the grill for the last 2 nights, and something tells me it's not gonna make it again tonight. It's raining also too right now, so we're happy about that. It's been
kind of a spray bottle raining right now. We yet to see a good rain. Everything is scorched. Pastures are completely scorched. So it's been a rough couple of weeks with this lack of rain.
Yeah.
Any rain that we get, it doesn't last long. And just a few days after that, we get. Today we were hovering around 100 degrees all day. So
we're giving people this blank wall. Let's
show
turn around. Show them what you work what you work so hard for.
I showed them already.
Oh, okay. There we go. That's a little better. Now it feels like we're somewhere. Except now I look too short. So you saw us yesterday start moving our mobile coop and getting that cleaned up. That project's just gonna have to wait. There's just way too many things going on right now to try to get all those chickens moved and get the coop set up where it needs to be.
New hens are laying. That's exciting.
Yeah.
We got almost 40 eggs from that day, so it's really exciting.
And we added a new rooster, one that we hatched that our friend Monique had taken, and he is now back here on the farm. So those ladies are happy, hopefully.
Turkeys leave them alone.
Yeah. Any closing thoughts, Dragon?
It's an exhausting week. Thank you, guys, for having the video every day this week now.
I don't know. Who knows?
It's been a hot end, and it's been hard to record. The camera is overheating. It's just been hard to keep up with everything. We are stretched thin everywhere. So thanks for your patience. Thanks for understanding, and thanks for keeping up with us.
Yeah, we appreciate it. And as always, if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
See you soon.